The snow is slowing down tonight, and we're getting a better look at total accumulations for the Denver Metro. Denver 7's Clara Faith is here to break it all down for us. Clara?
Well, we definitely see about 2 to 6 inches of snow in some parts of the metro. Looking at southeast Denver, they had over 6 inches of snow. Fort Collins over 5, Boulder at 5, Castle Rock a little bit shy at 4 inches, and then much less conditions for Aurora down at 2 inches. Now, when it comes to the higher elevation areas, Wolf Creek seeing about 8 inches of snow. Eldora about 5 inches. Loveland Ski Resort in the last 24 hours have just seen about 2. We're going to continue to see snow chances really start to move out of our state as we do head throughout the rest of our evening going into late tonight. But for now, we are still seeing a little bit of snow out there for some of us.
And we are working to keep you safe from storms all winter long. Now's the time to download our Denver 7 Plus app. We'll send you real-time weather updates to the palm of your hand.